Hello everyone and welcome into the channel. My name is Brent with Investing on the Go, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to redeem your credit card points on SoFi directly into your investment account. This is an all-in-one platform where you can have your checking, your savings, your investment platforms all in a single place, really accessible. So if you guys are brand new here to the channel, definitely go down below, hit that subscribe, hit the bell notification to be notified every time we release a new video or go live, and then also hit that thumbs up button below. I would really appreciate it. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into the main portion. So this will be a step-by-step guide going very quickly over SoFi, redeeming the credit card points, and some of the benefits of using SoFi. So first things first, you're going to want to access your SoFi account. If you guys are watching this video, you more than likely already have a SoFi account, or you guys are interested in setting it up. SoFi is offering $25 right now worth of stock when you fund your active investment account with at least $25. I'll have a link down in the description below. Click on the link. You just have to open up an account, deposit $25. You're going to get $25, and then you'll be able to get whatever you would like. It's not like Robinhood where they give you some $2, $3, $4 stock. You'll have the option of getting just $25 and being able to invest it on whatever company you choose, basically giving you 100% ROI right away, right? So that's pretty good. So jumping back here, once you're logged on to the account, you'll see right here showing some points that I have active. I figured this would be a great time to make a video on this specific subject. So you're going to want to click up at the top right. There's going to be your name, and you're going to select membership and rewards. Once you're on this page, depending on your level that you have, your membership status, you're going to get different rewards. So I'm on the plus side. This is actually really easy to set up. Once you have a checking and savings and you have your investment account, all you need to do here is set up direct deposits. It can be from your W-2 job. It can be from your sole proprietorship. So in this case, I keep all of my real estate funds within SoFi because I decided to move away from Chase. Back in the past, I had my cash sitting at Chase. I had a very low APY, and my real estate business needs to have liquid cash in order to fund those, maintenance or repairs. It just needs that cash available and not being invested. It just needs to be readily available. And over at Chase, it was getting between a 0.01 and a 0.04. So I thought, I still want to keep it separate from myself, but I want to have it earning more. So by having that plus, the savings account gets a whopping 3.8% APY. Now you could say, hey, Wealthfront and Marcus and Ally offer that 4%, I believe, right now, but they're not as liquid as having it just here within a checking and savings account, really readily available, where I can just transfer it really quickly and then just have access to it. So all my mortgages for my real estate business gets automatically withdrawn out of that savings account. All when I get paid into my checking, I automatically just same day drop it into the savings, and it begins earning that APY right away. The next thing they do, they have a 10% boost on their SoFi credit card, essentially getting up to 3.3% cashback on rewards. You get 2% points on qualifying activities, and very similar to Robinhood, you get a 1% match with unlimited upside. So whereas on Robinhood, you would get that 1 or 2% match up until I believe it was $210 per year. This has an unlimited 1% match. So if you plan on funding your account, several thousands or hundreds of thousands, right? This could add up over that time frame of that investment time. And this not only affects your IRA or Roth IRA, this is all reoccurring deposits on a weekly, a monthly, bi-weekly, right, into your self-directed or robo investment accounts, including retirement accounts. So it's essentially all your accounts, as long as you have the auto deposits, then you get that 1% bonus there, which is really nice. You also get the one-on-one financial planning. So that's just the spiel there. So going back to it, I have 1,869 points available in redeemable value. So what we're going to do here is select redeem towards accounts. Now here, it's going to give you the option of redeeming towards my active investment platform, my attached bank, my SoFi bank checking account, my SoFi credit card, or other things within, if I want to set up a new account. In this case, we're going to want to select our active investment account. It shows here on the right hand side that we are able to deposit up to $18.69 because that's how much my points are worth. And then down on the bottom right, we're going to go ahead and select next. This is just verifying how much you would like to put towards that active investment account. In this case, I just want the full value and then confirm that. At this point, your points are now being redeemed. The cash value will now be $18.69 plus that 1%, right? It's not a lot with this, but if you're doing this every time you're paying off your credit card bill, you're essentially, this is very similar to like Acorns, or there was another platform that did that auto deposits of whenever it was Acorns and something else out there. You guys can let me know it down in the comment section. I'm sure you guys know of it. But basically, all your little miscellaneous cash would just kind of get added into your investment account. This is more where you're paying off your credit card bill, right? You're staying ahead of it. You're paying off your credit card bill, and then you're rewarding yourself with these points that's going into your investment account. So here, we're just going back to membership, and now we can see that we have 0 points available. Our redeemable value is 0, and the lifetime earned is $81, right? So I've essentially earned around $81 just in points in spending on this side of the account. So that is it for this video. Very quickly, step-by-step process. I hope this video helped you guys out. Again, if you guys do want to get that bonus $25 worth of stock and you're thinking of starting your investing journey, SoFi is giving away $25 worth of stock. In order to fund your account, all you need to do is deposit $25 and then get started with $50 worth of investment capital, right? So that's it. Simple ways to turn your credit card rewards into investment and grow your portfolio over time. Again, if you guys found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below any sort of questions that you have, questions I could use for upcoming videos as well. See you in the next video. Happy investing. I hope Friday is positive for you guys. And that is it. Thank you all, everyone. Have a good one. Bye-bye.